In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check arrival date in Temu 2026 step by step. If you're wondering when a product will arrive, Temu shows a clear estimate right on the product page. I'll guide you through the exact spots to tap so you can plan your purchase with confidence. Start by opening Temu, either in the app or in your web browser. For the most accurate dates, make sure you're signed in and that your region or shipping address is set correctly, since delivery times depend on where you're located. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that lets you explore everything. Select Browse All Items to open the full catalog. Scroll through the listings until you see something you like. You don't have to overthink this part. The key information shows up after you open a product. When you found an item that interests you, tap it to open the product details page. Here, look near the price and shipping section for a line that says arrives in, followed by a range of business days. That's your quick estimate at a glance. Now select the small green label that mentions business days. This opens a more detailed view. In this panel, you'll see the delivery time broken down into an estimated delivery window, often with specific calendar dates that show the earliest and latest likely arrival. Keep in mind that business days usually mean Monday through Friday and typically exclude major holidays, so weekends don't count toward that number. In the same view, you'll notice a polar chart that visualizes when most customers receive this item. Think of it as a snapshot of common arrival patterns. Taller bars indicate the days when deliveries most often land. Use this to gauge the most likely day within the window, but remember, it's still an estimate rather than a guarantee. A couple of helpful tips while you're on the page. Selecting different variations, like color, size, or bundle, can change stock and warehouse routing, which may update the arrival window. After choosing your options, glance back at the Arrives In section to make sure the dates still work for you. If you adjust your destination or postal code, refresh or recheck the estimate so it reflects the correct location. And that's all there is to it. Open Temu, browse to an item you like, tap the Arrives In label, and review the detailed estimate and the poll to understand the most likely delivery day. Happy shopping, and see you in the next tutorial.